viewers, today we will learn about mutual funds, in which you will learn how to get earning from mutual funds. Please keep watching full video. Dear friend, what is mutual fund? Mutual fund is a company that collects the money from the investor and invests in diversified portfolio. The fund invests in equity market and debt market, which are considered diversified portfolio. What is equity market? Equity market in which fund invests in blue chip shares like a Microsoft and Philips. And what is debt market? Debt market in which fund invests in SPOO. These are long-term securities. And TFC also long-term securities. Commercial paper is a short-term, and bank deposit, which are also considered short-term and long-term both. That is the reason mutual fund give high return, because they invest in diversified portfolio. Dear friend, investor has two options for earning from mutual funds. Those investors who take more risk, they will invest in equity fund, and those investors who want secure return and cannot take maximum risk, they will invest in money market and income fund. Dear friend, investors should invest in mutual fund because they give high return due to diversified portfolio as compared to commercial bank. But those investors who invest in commercial bank will get low return because they have a limited portfolio, bank deposit. Dear friend, there is a lot of benefit investing in mutual funds. Number one, you will get more return. Number two, it has diversified portfolio. That is the reason you are getting more return. Number three, if you have $100, you can invest it. If you have $10, you can invest it. You don't need to have a maximum amount. Number three, if you are the filer, you will get tax saving by making investment in mutual funds. Number five, you can withdraw easily at any time you need the amount. Number six, minimum charges. Asset management companies charge minimum amount on investment and redemption. Dear friend, in international market, there is a lot of international funds. There is a few names: JP Morgan income funds and Invesco equity and income funds. Investor has a lot of choices, and they have more funds are operating in markets, both equity and income fund and money market funds. And other funds are also operating commodity funds and gold funds. In Pakistan, NIT AMC, Mizan AMC, Faisal AMC, and other asset management companies is operating in market. And you have a lot of choices to invest in equity fund, money market, golds, commodity funds, and other funds. Dear friend, I am explaining you mutual fund with example. For example, Mr. A, he has saving $1,000. He has three choices. Number one, equity fund that gives 15% return, money market fund that gives 12% return, bank deposit 9% return. I think Mr. A should invest in equity fund because it gives high return. But equity fund has a more risk because due to volatile market, return may be reduced. It will give, if market is not performing well, it will give return 10%. If performing well, it will give more return, more than 15%. Number two, money market fund. If Mr. A wants a secure return, he should invest in money market fund because it gives 12% return. As compared to bank deposit, it gives 9% return because this has a only limited portfolio, only bank deposit.